Find the value of a if x minus a is a factor of x cubed minus ax square plus 2x plus a minus 1. Looks complex. Yes, it does. We have a cube root, we have a term with a square root, we have x, we have a, we have numbers, we have constants. But that is the appearance. Don't get scared. If you have understood the remainder theorem, the factor theorem, then this question is nothing but a piece of cake for you. You have to just start solving it using the concepts and following the right procedure. The answer will fall automatically into your lap. And if you don't believe me, just look at how am I going to solve this. It is given that x minus a is a factor of the given polynomial. So let this given polynomial be named as px, which is equal to x cubed minus ax square plus 2x plus a minus 1. It is given that x minus a is a factor of this polynomial px, which means x minus a must be equal to 0, which simply gives us the value of x as a. We have simply moved minus a from LHS to RHS to find the value of x. Since this is a factor, that means p of a must also be equal to 0. That is what remainder theorem says. Now since p of x is equal to x cubed minus ax square plus 2x plus a minus 1, and we have got x is equal to a because x minus a is a factor of this given expression. So we can substitute the value of x in this polynomial. That means wherever we have x, just put a. So moving ahead, we get px. Now since we are taking the value of x as a, so this will become a is equal to a instead of x minus a instead of x, right? A square we already have plus 2 into a instead of x plus we already have a over here and minus 1. We have already seen that PA must be equal to 0, which means this should be equal to 0. That means we can simply write it a to the power 3 minus, here we have a into a square. Using the rules of exponents, this is 1, this is 2, these both will add up and we will get a to the power 3 over here plus 2a plus a minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here plus a cube and minus a cube cancel out each other. Plus 2a plus a adds up, giving us 3a minus 1 is equal to 0. In the next step, we get 3a is equal to 1. We have simply moved this minus 1 on the right hand side, thus it becomes plus 1. And further ahead, we use cross multiplication to get the value of a, which comes out to be 1 by 3. This 3 has moved in the denominator. Thus, we get 1 by 3 as the value of a. And you see, this was a very easy and simple question. But in case if you get scared right in the beginning while looking at the question, you won't be able to solve it. So that is the basic trick. Don't get scared. Use the concept, follow the procedure and just do it. You will get the answer. And believe me, Studymare, not anymore.